for perfect poop.
Oh,
Come on over
no.
here. Anybody who jump around their backyard in a plastic outfit.
In a plastic outfit.
They could have institutionalized you. All right, so here's the deal. This toy is a very unique toy. You notice it's got the regular part of the toilet here, and then it's got this little attachment down here. Right? It looks pretty strange. What do you think? You think that might be helpful to you?
I don't know. I guess so.
Here, demonstrate. Demonstrate what it will look like here. Sit there.
This is never.
I mean, how does it feel?
Perfect. That's all right.
It's all right?
Yeah, it's not that bad.
But, audience, what do you think? You think this might be helpful?
I don't know.
It's strange. Does it work? Let's look. Let's look. It is all right. It worked. It absolutely works. You know what it does? When you lift your legs up like that, it gets your colon in the poop position. I'm going to show you. I got a picture of this. Look at this picture now, guys. If you notice, you sit in the toilet normally, that anal rectal angle, it's bent. So you're sitting down, that's bent. When you squat, the way you're doing right now, you straighten it all out, so it makes it easier for the poop to slip out. I'm serious. I can't make this stuff up. Some people, when they're sitting up in the toilet normally, they're so kinked, literally, there's no place for the poop to get out. So it sort of slithers.
Every constipated person in America is going to order one.
You're in? Enjoy the squatting. Thank you very much. All right, next up is Marina.
Hi.
So you play.